Dear students, today I'm going to talk about case structure and select. But before that, I need to introduce a small example for you. This example talking about converting the temperature in Fahrenheit to Celsius temperatures. Now, first of all, let me create a control. Right click in this area. Control fill slide 1. It's better since we are talking about temperature, and of course I need to create indicator. Right click in this area here, numeric indicators. Let us choose thermometer. This is the thermometer, and I can change the label of this indicator to temperature in Celsius, and here I can change the label of this control to temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, now to change the temperature in Fahrenheit to temperature in Celsius, we can use this equation. Now, Celsius equal 5 over 9 multiply the temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. Now, let me just create here the required functions here. Now 5 over 9, I can create it here in this area. Go to arithmetic, here the numeric, this is the division. So first here in the upper side, I will create a constant, this is 5, and here in the lower, create, this is a constant, which is 9. So this is 5 over 9, and then 5 over 9, what I will do now, I will multiply it with temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. This is, here I need a subtractor. This is a subtract. So the temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32, look here, create a constant. This is 32. Okay, so look, 5 over 9 multiply f minus 32, f minus 32, so I will multiply them. I need a multiplier. Look here, comparison, sorry for that, I will go to numeric, this is multiply, and then I will multiply them, and then I will connect it to the indicator. So now if I want to run it, I must use continuous, okay, because if you run it for one time here, it will be just like that quickly I will have. So it's better to run continuous. Otherwise, you can put the whole circuit inside a loop. For example, you can put the whole circuit inside a while loop. Now, let me here. I want to show the digital display here, and I want to show the digital display there also. Look here, it's better. I can put them down this way. It's better for accurate readings. Now here we go, we run the program. Now for example, if we have 32 Fahrenheit, it will be 0 Celsius. If we have, for example, 95 Fahrenheit, it will be 35 Celsius. Okay, now I want to use the case structure. How to use the case structure? Now first let me just import the execution. Now I need the case structure. From where the case structure, I will use it in the block diagram. Right click, and here let me expand, and then programming, and then structures. This is the case structure. Look here, the case structure, we have two cases. We have, this is true case. Look here, look to the mouse cursor here. This is the true case, and here this is the false case. Okay, or you can look to the here, the hand, the thumb here. You can change it in this way. You can change it to this way also. Look here, you can change it. This is true or false. Okay, so here you can change between the true. Here, whatever you have here, it will be with the true condition. Whatever you have here inside, it will be with false condition. And from here, you can change or you can select. Do you want a true case or false case? Now, let me uh, put all of this inside the true. Look here, this is the true. Just let me uh, here, this is the control X, okay, and let me put it here. Now control E to remove the unconnected wires, and I can put it here. This is control V, and I put it here. Look here, let me just maximize a little bit the circuit itself. That's it. Here control P again, and now look, just connect it from here, and here connect the output, and here connect the output. Now don't forget to have a switch here. Let me use a switch, for example, a toggle switch. This is the switch, the boolean. Of course, look, the color is green, and this is the boolean switch. Now and here, just click here in the panel, right click, use default F and wire, and now here we go. Now this is the true case, the true case. Now what about the false? Look here to the false, we have nothing. So for example, you can connect the input directly to the output. For example, this is the false condition, or this is the false state. Okay, now when you run it, look here. Now when we have here a false, look here to the boolean switch, it's false. So let me use the probe. This is a false here. When it's a false, it's connected directly from the input to the output. So 95 in Fahrenheit will be 95 in Celsius. But if you just change it to true, 95, it will be 35. Look here, the Boolean is true. The Boolean switch is true. So this is the case structure. Now let me just end it here. Now what about the select structure? Select structure, you can find it from here. Right click, you can go to arithmetic and comparison here, and then here it's in comparison, and here this is the select structure. Select structure, that's it. Okay, now I want to use it instead of the case structure. So be careful, you have to connect these things. Look here, this is Control X, and you can put them outside, anywhere outside. This is Control V, and here let me just delete the case structure. I deleted, and then Control B to remove the wires here, and now let me just move it again. So what do we have now here? This is the select. This is the select. Here, look here, we have, this is true, and down this is false, and in the middle this is the Boolean input. The Boolean input, it will be from here. This is the Boolean input. You can put it here, it's better, yes, and then connect it to the Boolean input. Now if it is true, look here, what's the true? The true, for example, this is the true. Now let me connect the temperature in Fahrenheit. That's it. Now the true, look, this is the true. Okay, I can connect here on the wire, right click, clean up wire. Okay, it seems that it's the same. Let me just move the switch here. And now what about the false? What about the false? The false, I will connect the false with what? With the temperature. Look here, it's directly. It's direct connection. So let me just here click, clean up wire. It's the same. will be the same. Okay, no problem at all. I can manually look here, and here this is the output. So when I have here a true, this it will be move, this it will move to the indicator. When I have here false, this it will be moved to the indicator. Let me just run it now. So what I have true, so 95, it will be 35. Now false, 95, it's 95 because we have a direct connection. So this is the select structure, and it's very similar to case structure. Thank you a lot.